Well, we can't do anything about getting older, but that doesn't mean we can't fight looking older. And now new technology is finding that the best anti-aging weapon we have might be right in our own skin, with noticeable results in just 6 weeks. Our beauty expert, Mickey Williams, is here to tell us about DefenAge skincare. This sounds fantastic. How do we get our skin to look less old?
Well, actually, what's incredible about this whole program is it's actually breakthrough. It's brand new. We see so many products out there that are utilizing the exact same ingredients and then reformulating them and turning them into the new beauty drug, right? But this is absolutely completely different. So that's why I was so fascinated with it. So first of all, it's incredibly effective. It's very simple to use. And it's also just incredibly, wonderfully kind of just amazing how it creates radiance and glow, but it also turns back the hands of time. And that is what everyone's talking about right now.
Where did it come from?
So there was this doctor/scientist who I actually got to have a conversation with, and he was just mind-boggling because he said to me, I got into stem cells. I was doing it for cancer research. I was doing it for embryology, and I was also looking into it for wound therapy. And what happened was he got into the anti-aging game because of all of this research that he was doing to find that your skin can actually regenerate itself and turn back the hands of time.
All right,
so
how does that
this is
work?
his brain baby. This is
How
DefenAge.
the regeneration works. now everyone's interested.
So what it does is it actually unlocks your skin's defense, or kind of like a mechanism to stay youthful. So it's going down there to your stem cells, and what's that going to do is it's this 3-step process with this patent-pending peptides, okay? And I know that's hard to say, but what this is a breakthrough technology that's going to be using these Age-Repair Defensins, which is it's only exclusive to DefenAge. And what's great about it is this is like no lasers, there's no downtime, it's no animal, no testing, no human kind of derived ingredients like we've seen before. This is basically protein peptide technology that's kind of stimulating your own stem cells to rebuild everything that you want to create more hydrated skin, more radiant skin, less dark spots, wrinkles. It's going to take away smooth out that stuff, but it's also going to create firmness. It's going to, it's absolutely insane.
And in
6
weeks, though. So we want to see some befores and afters because I know
absolutely.
The proof is in the look.
We're seeing results actually before 6 weeks. So which is amazing is this is what they're saying is this taking back 27 years off of your skin, and what they can see this through a microscope. They can see this through a lens and see how the skin actually goes back. Now this is a 63-year-old patient, and using this 3-step process, after 4 weeks, you can see the smoothness, you can see the color of the skin, you can see all of that. And it's unbelievable. Do you see the firmness of the jawline?
Yes.
This one actually blows my mind. This is a 55-year-old patient, and I want you to look at the wrinkles right around her eyes. Look at that smoothness. Look at the discoloration. Look at the redness. We see a lot of products out there that don't deal with redness. They actually irritate your skin because they have retinoids in them, or actually they'll have like glycolics. They have all these different things that are built in, or they have human growth factor.
And that was just 4 weeks.
This one's 6 weeks. This is
Yes.
unbelievable. So what's incredible about this is that it has absolutely no irritation, because what it's doing is it's as effective as a retinol or as like a growth, hormone, like one of the growth, what are they called? The growth factors, putting those into your skin. It's basically just as effective, but the whole entire thing is it doesn't have any of that irritant. It doesn't have those things because all it's doing is just making your own stem cells kind of like wake up and create moisture to your skin and do all of these different things.
And in
it's
3
simply
steps.
in 3
So
steps.
this is what comes with the skincare.
So
Talk us
step
through.
1 is actually it's like 2-minute. This is their 2-minute reveal mask. What's great about it is it's ultra fine sugar crystals and their triple enzyme resurfacing. This is free of those crazy little microbeads that we're seeing get banned everywhere. So what this step is going to do is it's actually going to resurface your skin. It's going to show the brightness and everything under the skin. Get that layer of skin off with the enzymes and with those sugar crystals. But what it's also going to do is it's going to make the next 2 products much more effective getting into your skin.
So
that's your first step. Well, basically, yes. It's like a little math stroke, and it feels really good. She's like, how long do I do it?
Yes, I can wait till tomorrow.
So that preps you for the next 2 steps.
Yes, and they all do work really incredibly in tandem together, so that's why we love this. The next one is the 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream. Now what's great about this is it's ultra hydrating, lightweight cream. It's got their Age-Repair Defensins in it, but it also has corneotherapy formula that starts to replenish skin's barrier within 24 hours. So think about it. You're going to have the hydration back into your skin within 24 hours with this product. What's great about this too is it minimizes the appearance of age spots, it calms redness like we were saying, and it's great to kind of like alleviate any sensitivity that, so a lot of people have sensitivity to retinoids and certain things like this. These products do not have that in there. They're having the same effectiveness as if you would have used one, but they don't have that. So it's
Yes.
incredible that you don't
Great
have
how
any of
much
that
we've
irritant.
learned and how much the technology has.
This
has
is so
developed.
revolutionary, I know.
Yes.
And then the third step, which is absolutely just insane, this is their 8-in-1 bioserum. And how they got all of these amazing benefits into one serum is unbelievable. But what's great about it is it's a smart formula and it seems to understand your skin's needs better than your own DNA, which I found really funny. And it's designed to activate, orchestrate, and energize the biologically advanced concentrate. It is infused with the highest daily percentage of repair Age-Repair Defensins.
And
what's
I love that this is in 6 weeks or less.
Or less,
can
like
see
you
this
saw
is-
the results.
Oh.
And it's unbelievable because what we're seeing now is that you don't have to go get the lasers, you don't have to do all these things. You saw those results, but see, I just got a laser and I'm like, wait a minute, I had 5 days of downtime that I
this
couldn't even
could
go
have
outside.
saved you all of that, 'cause
and
you
I
can
could have
do
done it
this.
in 4 weeks. I mean, it took
So
me 2
easy
weeks to heal.
in 3 easy steps. All right, for more information, this is fantastic. With this great anti-aging skincare line, you can go to DefenAge.com. Mickey, thank you. We
Yeah.
love you. Always make us look good. All right.
Well, we're going to look better,
Coming
right?
up next, we're going to
Younger.
preview the Sarasota Improv Festival. Coming up.